Hey friends, welcome to the fourth day of our 30-day craving busting adventure. And today we're going to be talking about the difference between the thirst and the hunger. One of the biggest things that can make you crave unhealthy foods is discomfort from dehydration. And dehydration and thirst is so similar to hunger, so we might confuse it. And because it can hit us in the middle of the busy day in the city, then all these foods that are available everywhere can be so tempting. And the funniest thing about this is that these foods might be dehydrating also, and even if we choose beverages like coffee, then it might dehydrate us even more. It's so important to try to check in and ask yourself, are you dehydrated? Do you have a dry mouth? And if it's challenging for you to understand, are you thirsty or hungry, then you can just drink some water and see if you feel a little better. And if you have an opportunity to go and get some fresh squeezed fruit juice, and even better, green juice or veggie juice, then this will hydrate you so deeply on a deep cellular level, and you will start noticing this difference in how you feel, and maybe will eliminate this unhealthy craving. And the best thing to do if you want to avoid unhealthy cravings and overeating throughout the day, to hydrate first thing in the morning and have a bottle of water with you all day long. Maybe you can even make some fresh juices yourself, which would be the best, because then you can add some greens and veggies to your fruit juices, or just make pure cucumber juice for ultimate hydration, maybe with some celery in there. And if you're lucky to get a really good celery with not too much green in there, then it will be pretty sweet. It will not be so bitter, and it will be so hydrating on the deepest level. And if you put this juice in some glass bottles, you can bring it for your whole day. If it's not too hot in your area, or if you have a cooler bag, you can bring them and use them for a whole day, because they will not go bad in just a few hours. And orange juice is available in so many places. You can order fresh orange juice in almost any good restaurant. There are orange juice pressing machines in many big supermarkets, or you can just look for unpasteurized cold pressed juices in fridge area in a supermarket, and you might have some luck. Even when you're traveling, in most big airports, you can find fresh juice or cold pressed juice in bottles. And of course, we shouldn't underestimate the power of water. It just needs to be high quality water, and I feel that spring water is the most hydrating. It just goes in so well. I personally don't like distilled or even reverse osmosis water. It feels so weird in my body, in my mouth, and it just feels like too somehow processed, and it doesn't feel like it goes in good. If you like it though, and it feels good in your body, then enjoy. The main thing is to find something to hydrate with. And if you like warm herbal teas, that's totally fine. You can hydrate with these very beautifully, especially during the winter. It's so nice. I would just warn you against using too many caffeinated drinks. Not only it's stimulating, not in a good way for the body, because it hijacks our system of body signaling that it needs rest, actually. So when body needs rest, it's trying to signal our brain to go to sleep, to rest, and then the signals don't go through because of the caffeine. And I just don't see how it can be a good thing. You're wearing your body out, your brain, your liver, your kidneys, with these caffeinated drinks. And also it's not so hydrating, because some of that liquid gets excreted by kidneys because kidneys are overstimulated. So I would avoid caffeinated teas and coffee and caffeinated drinks, and stick with nice herbal teas, which can be very beneficial for your body with some beneficial components in there. So let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try to up your hydration, if you're gonna try to drink more water or juices or herbal teas, and how do you feel with it? Or if you have any questions about it, and if you feel that this video might be beneficial to someone, then please feel free to send them the link. And if you want to watch the rest of the 30-day Craving Busting Adventure series, I'm going to put the link to the playlist in the description below. And I'm so excited to see you again in the next video tomorrow. Bye!